Okay, guys, we're going to talk now about our schedule. Our schedule is not exact right now, but I can tell you that we will be having our exploratory time, which is PE, music, and art, at 8:45 until 9:30, and our lunch time is 11:20 to 11:50. More information is going to be coming about arrival and dismissal, and checkouts and things like that. We're still kind of finalizing all of that. Lunch and breakfast is free for all students this year, and students will be eating in the classroom for breakfast and for lunch.